Do you want to become better at growing your own food? Then you found the right community. Welcome to Dondo Gardens, where we don't just grow plants, we grow knowledge. And whether you are starting your very first home garden or you've been growing for years, we are here to help you understand what you are doing and why it works. You don't need to be an expert to grow your own food. You just need the right knowledge, the confidence to start, and a community willing to grow with you. And that's what we are building in Dondo Gardens, a community of people who want to learn, grow, share, and become better at producing food. So this is exactly the gardening community you've been looking for. And if you are ready to grow with confidence, then subscribe to Dondo Gardens on YouTube. On our channel, we will learn practical home gardening and agriculture, from seed sowing to nursery, transplanting to soil management, mulching, composting, manuring, and general plant care. We would explore vegetables, herbs, and fruits, pest management, practical garden transformations, and we will get into the science of how plants grow, because growing your own food is more than just putting a seed in the ground. It's about knowing where your food comes from. It's about becoming more intentional about what you put on your table. It's about self-reliance, food security, reconnecting with nature, and experiencing the satisfaction of turning a tiny seed into something that nourishes you and your family. When you put your hands in the soil, nurture something from seed to harvest, and watch life respond to your care, you build a connection with nature, with food, and with yourself. So we want Dondo Gardens to be your go-to place for practical gardening knowledge and real solutions. There is something valuable here for you. When you subscribe, you are making an investment into your own gardening knowledge. We teach you how to grow, we explain why things work, and we help you become self-reliant, confident, and connected to the food that you grow. So if you want to become better at growing your own food, then Dondo Gardens is a community you should be part of. So subscribe to Dondo Gardens on YouTube and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, because there's always something new to learn and grow. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, Instagram, or on another platform, then click the link in this post or in our bio and join us on YouTube. Come, let us grow with confidence.